is that? We need air support, and we need it now. Roll in strike package Bravo on unknown target. I authenticate Tango Whiskey at time 0300 Zulu.
Digital aircraft, this is A danger, close fire mission.
I'm just gonna call from Falcon Ops. Who's closer to Killbox 1 Alpha? Send the Hawks, sir. Okay, send the Hawks over to Killbox 1 Alpha. It's a danger close at 300 feet.
Killbox 1 Alpha, 300 feet, danger close.
Friendly's in the area.
7th Man Team, north of Orange Smoke.
Proceed Killbox 1 Alpha. He's hostile.
Attack direction west. You're cleared hot.
Strike, tell me status.
Bravo 1, Dark Star status.
Lennox, the heat's coming. Laser target. We got a beam rider incoming. Right target. The heat coming. What? Bring it.
Receiving radar command. Sending target.
Freaking way, that thing's still not down.
Spooky 3-2, use 105 shells. Bring the rain.
Be advised, ground teams requesting 105 signal runners.